What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Solana, guys. Currently we're sitting at 197. Just a quick little update. Up 7.6 on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 58.97 billion. 24-hour volume 3.58 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. They recently signed with Matt Damon to promote the platform here. They have their incredible Visa card, cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime travel incentives, as well as you receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're going to start here on the 4-hour chart. So we wicked down to 178. I did have my buy zones placed. So two of my buy zones were hit. My average price came down. I was able to ride the slingshot back up in profits here for Solana. Now we may see a little bit of rollover here. If we're unable to hold the EMAs, what may happen is we come down and create the double bottom. Whoa, where did that candle come from? We did come down, we created a double bottom here right around 178 and we bounce. Whoa, Solana, what is going on? Let me quickly look at Bitcoin here. Solana just, oh my God, holy dump. What the hell is that? Jeez, this is happening live. Wow, guys. Holy what? Okay, guys, we're going to take a little bit of break and I'm going to come back to the video here. All right, guys, I am back. Bitcoin just took a bit of a dump here. We just dropped like 7% in seconds all the way down to the 200 EMA. And we shot right back up. This is why I do not trade with 7, 10x, 15x leverage anymore, because these sell-offs can happen and a whole bunch of leverage traders just got liquidated. All right, guys, hopefully we don't see this selling pressure continue. I was looking for a double bottom. I still think that is the play here, where we come down, we create a second bottom and we break out of our falling wedge, head back up to 67K. We do have a target here from this head and shoulders all the way down at 53. We have support about 54.3K. I still don't think it's a likely scenario. You can see the bulls push the price right back up. So we'll see what happens here, but I still think it's likely we come down, we create a double bottom, and we break out back to the upside. And if that is the scenario, you can see Sol bounced right back up as well. Then Sol can come down and create its double bottom, and then we break out to the upside once again. So do keep an eye on that pattern taking shape here. And if you'd like to dollar cost average into your trade, I have put my limits here. Just for reference if you'd like to use them. Now if we hop over to Sol on the daily, you can see we came down to the 20 EMA, and if we look at when Sol was pumping here before our September sell-off back in July, look how beautifully we held the 20 EMA on the daily, and we're just starting to break out once again. So personally, I don't see us breaking the 20 EMA. Of course, it's a possibility, guys, but Sol is a really strong project, and I think Bitcoin is due for a breakout pretty soon here. But I do think we could come down and create that double bottom at 178. If we do lose that support, I don't think it's likely, but I've set another buy zone here at the golden ratio at $1.70. I split up my margin between all these buy zones, so when price drops, right here I got entered into my trade and one of my buy limits was hit at 178, and I was able to ride this wave back up. So it's a beautiful method of trading here. So if we do lose 178, do target 170, but I don't think it's likely in my opinion. All right, guys, so keep an eye on that double bottom. If we can get back above the EMAs, we need to come up and take out this high, and then we're good to go for continuation all the way up to the 1.272, which is up at about 258, and then you have your technical target here at 290 for Sol. All right, guys, that's it for this one. We're laughing, we're talking about this dump that just happened here in the Discord, guys. So if you want to join, it's the price of coffee. Over 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love. Take care.